In this video, we're going to learn about the Move and the Scale tool in Figma. So here we have two rectangles within a frame, which is essentially an artboard containing these two elements. And you can notice this by examining the layers panel right here. And essentially, if you want to use the Move tool, which is the default tool, which is pre-selected in Figma, so you simply have to go under here, under Move, and you're going to be able, as the name suggests, to move around elements within the artboard. You can also select the frames and you can move those frames as well. So this is going to be really useful, and in order to scale these items, what you want to do is to essentially use the scale tool. But just before we do that, I also want to remind you that if you hold the left mouse button and you simply browse through the area, you're going to see that this rectangle is going to appear. And this is allowing you to select all of the elements within a given area. So this works also right on top of the frames. You can easily select one or multiple frames directly by using the Move tool with this option. And in order to scale, you're going to use the Scale tool. And as you're going to see, if you hover on the borders of an element, you're going to see that the cursor changes, and it's going to allow you to scale an element in its Y and X axis. So really useful, and you can easily just change the size of elements in a very fast and efficient way. And this applies for layers such as rectangles or groups, as well as frames. So this is going to be something that you're likely going to use quite a lot in Figma, and it's something which is an essential thing to experiment with.